I lied. I'm not excited. And the sun is so bright. Why is this happening? I just woke up. I'm tired. I'm gonna get coffee. Okay, so protein shake. We got more powder while we were in town yesterday. Um, Randy helped me to water the garden, so now we're all good and stanky and getting back to sculpting. So let's get to it. So I just realized that this is going to be out of frame in the time lapse, so I wanted to show you in real time how it came out, at least. I decided to go ahead and put a little bit of a beak nose here on Deep Sea, and I just love her and her big silly nostrils. But so I still have more details in the upper eye ridge. I just got a fresh batch mixed up, and I am actually going to set her off to the side because I don't want to risk messing up her nose, though I do think I'm going to build up a little bit more detailing and stuff. We'll see how she evolves. But next up, I think we're going to work on spring. Spring is coming along nicely. I used two batches of freeform air to fill in around these genuine quartz crystals and to do the blending on the horns in the back, which I need to add a little bit more. We're gonna do a little bit more, but I'm really digging using the silicone mold to kind of stamp this texture. I'm really pleased with this down into the horns. And then again, using the sea sponge, it's really nice. I'm digging it today. We're making some decent progress, I think. I don't know. I always feel like I could be working a little faster, but I'm doing my best. So Randy is gessoing the horns for me. Progress so far on the mermaid dragon. Sorry for the creaky chair. But just getting gaps filled right now. I've come to the conclusion that anything that doesn't get done with the freeform air today either doesn't make the cut for Dragon Con or is just going to be how it looks. So I'm going to keep trying to power through. Busy, but focused. I don't think it's a far stretch to say I might have bitten off more than I can chew. Um, Randy got all of these heads gessoed, and he's gonna start working on these here in a little bit. I went through and got a lot of sculpting done. Honestly, like here you can see, haven't done anything on Celtic yet, but Randy did get her horns gessoed with the first coat, so that's really nice. Did I do? I think, yeah, I did Deep Sea's nose, which I'm not sure if I like yet. She still needs her eyebrow ridges. There's quite a bit of work to do on each of these, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 heads. And then I think I need some more details on this one. So I'm gonna do this one next. Okay. So yeah, I caught myself feeling really overwhelmed, really a little panicky, and that's whenever I like to come in here and be like, I can do this. I got this. I like to look at the done ones, or the ones that are pretty close, and be like, however many days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, I didn't have, these dragon heads were just piles of parts. So we're making great progress. I need to just not get hung up on how much more work we have to do. I just need to do it. So time to get to it. Alrighty, so we're fixing to have some frozen pizza that's been cooked for lunch. But this is the progress that I've made on Spring, who I think is looking gorgeous. This is the progress I have made on Spiral, who I also think is looking gorgeous. And this is the progress that I have made on Deep Sea, who might be one of my favorites. She looks so magical to me. I just love it. Hey y'all, it is 7 p.m. I'm having a cup of coffee and oh man, I'm whooped. I had a little bit of a meltdown, but I'm okay. I just needed to cry out the stress and then get back to work. So that was that. All of these on this, if you've been following along with the vlog, you understand that these three are done. But then these other ones are just awaiting paint. But now these ones are awaiting paint as well. And then we have, whoopsie, knocked over a box. Randy got the horns gessoed on just about everybody. This one's not quite ready for him yet because it's still curing, but that's next in line to get gessoed. I remember this one might be one of my favorites. I absolutely love Deep Sea right now. Spiral is done, which is amazing. I think Spring is done, other than like needing to get mossed, but I'm really pleased. Like, I kind of love moss comes after painting, that's right. But and then I think Luna, I'd need to mix up another batch and finish along like some nose details, the upper jaw details, and then I'd like to flesh out just a little bit more in the back, because at this point I'm not planning on her having any flowers or anything, so I want to make this look very nice and intentional. I'm going to flesh out some of the dots and stuff on the back, like the different scale patterns. So and then I'm going to be spending the rest of my evening paying attention to Reaper here, as well as Celtic. So no rest for the wicked or the weary, but we've been listening to Dungeon Crawler Carl, book 1, and it has been very nice. Like, it's good stuff. And so that's taken my mind off of the stress and exhaustion. But I don't know what it is, you guys. I don't craft like this unless I've manufactured this high stress environment to function within, because it's like I could have done this back in January. There's technically no reason why I didn't. It's just, I don't know. Sometimes, well, there's a couple reasons. It's been a busy year, but I don't mind the pressure. That's how we make diamonds. So back into the pressure pot. Okay. Hey guys, it is the end of the day, and I'm doing my last bits of clay, and then I'm taking a hot bath because I'm freaking tired. We actually got all of the heads, the bulk of the sculpting done on all of the heads. I'm budgeting for having to do at least one batch of freeform air tomorrow so that I can touch up any bits that like we missed. Like there's a couple that have like, you know, a spot on the jaw that's a little low, and so just doing some touch up work, but I cannot believe we actually freaking did it. So I'm gonna say night night and bye bye to y'all right now, but then I'm gonna be getting some video that we're gonna put in here at the end of the everything glowing, and just I can't believe we actually did it, Randy. Like, Randy did all the gessoing and stuff today. He's got more gessoing tomorrow, and he's also gonna do my latex for me. Yeah. But that's for tomorrow's vlog, so I will see y'all tomorrow. I can't believe we did it.
Bye.
Bye.